Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing oats vegetable soup. Oats are rich in antioxidants and also they are rich in fiber. They are very healthy. Try this delicious oat soup on a cold day and you will love it. Ingredients required are finely chopped carrot and beans, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 to 3 chopped garlic and few chopped coriander leaves, pepper powder and salt as per your taste, and half cup of oats, 1 tablespoon corn flour, and about 750 to 800 ml of water. Let's start the procedure. Take a vessel and add little butter, or you can also add ghee. When butter melts, add finely chopped garlic and also add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute for a few minutes. Next add finely chopped carrot and beans. Chop them very fine so that they can be cooked very easily. Cook the veggies for some time. Next add half cup of oats and keep roasting the oats for a few minutes. Add 750 to 800 ml of water and cover with lid for some time. Once oats turn soft, now it's time to add the pepper powder and salt. Add pepper powder and salt according to your taste and give a mix. Now take about 1 tablespoon corn flour in a bowl, add little water and make a paste. Adding this corn flour paste is completely optional because as we are adding oats, the consistency will be little thick, but if you prefer more thicker consistency, then you can add corn flour or else you can skip it. Finally garnish with some coriander leaves and serve the soup hot. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.